How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading books.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where would you like to visit?
I would like to visit Paris.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I like making pasta.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast and eggs.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I love singing in the shower.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like winter?
No, I don't like the cold.
How do you get to school or work?
I take the bus.
What's your favorite place to go?
I like going to the beach.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What do you like to buy?
I like to buy clothes.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play games on my phone.
What's your favorite video game?
My favorite game is Minecraft.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What's your favorite TV show?
I like watching Friends.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I like running and yoga.
How many hours do you study every day?
I study for about 2 hours every day.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like it very much.
What subject do you like?
I like English and history.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Mr. Smith.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually hang out with friends and relax.
What's your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is McDonald's.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What's your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What flavor of ice cream do you like?
I like chocolate flavor.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I enjoy swimming in the pool.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Can you drive?
Yes, I have a driver's license.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
Do you like the city or the countryside?
I prefer the countryside because it's peaceful.
Do you like watching the news?
Yes, I watch the news every morning.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I enjoy it a lot.
What's your favorite thing about learning English?
I like learning new vocabulary.
Do you have any friends who speak English?
Yes, some of my friends speak English.
What's your favorite thing to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
What's your favorite kind of movie?
I like action movies.
Do you like to play cards?
Yes, I play cards with my family.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love spending time at the beach.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses to read.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I always have a party with friends.
Do you like singing in a group?
Yes, I enjoy singing in a group.
Can you play an instrument?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I love camping in the forest.
What's your favorite type of food to eat at a party?
I like finger foods like chips and sandwiches.
Do you like baking?
Yes, I like to bake cookies.
What's your favorite thing to do with your family?
We like to go out to eat together.
Do you like to play board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing board games with friends.
Can you speak French?
No, I can't speak French.
Do you like history?
Yes, I enjoy learning about history.
What time do you usually have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 p.m.
Do you like watching sports?
Yes, I like watching soccer.
Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages, English and Spanish.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
Do you play the guitar?
No, I don't play the guitar.
What's your favorite website?
My favorite website is YouTube.
Do you like visiting museums?
Yes, I enjoy visiting museums.
Do you like working in a group?
Yes, I enjoy working with others.
Do you like playing outdoor games?
Yes, I enjoy playing games outside.
Do you like cooking for your family?
Yes, I like cooking dinner for my family.
What's your favorite time of day?
My favorite time is the evening.
Do you like taking walks?
Yes, I enjoy walking in the park.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you like riding the bus?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Do you like playing with your phone?
Yes, I play games and use social media.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't like rainy days.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons on the weekend.
What's your favorite kind of ice cream?
My favorite ice cream flavor is vanilla.